Hi everybody, I'm Stephen Kowalczyk, the cocktail chef, and today we're going to make a cocktail using grapefruit juice. So in essence, we're going to make some sort of grapefruit cocktail. Today we're going to use some great ingredients. We're going to start with tequila as our base spirit. We have Don Pantaleon tequila. Now we have a grapefruit liqueur, which is Campari, and we have fresh grapefruit juice, which is a store-bought brand, but still nice and tart. All the things that you love about a great grapefruit juice. And then we have simple syrup. Basic simple syrup is a 60-40 blend of sugar and water, 60% sugar, which is going to be it's going to be the consistency of a good syrup. And that's exactly what we want. And then of course we have fresh grapefruit that we're going to show you how we're going to prepare the garnish after we're done. So we're going to start with our mixing glass. We're going to pour 1.5 ounces of the tequila. And then we're going to go with our Campari. We're going to do 3/4 ounce of Campari. We're going to follow that up with 1 ounce of the grapefruit juice. And then we're going to close it all out with our simple syrup. And I'm going to add about 3/4 ounce of simple syrup. I put it in a squeeze bottle because it's easy to use. So that's one of the things you want to do. Prepare yourself behind the bar. You want to make sure everything's within reach and good to go when you're mixing your cocktails. So here we go. Let's top this off with some ice and start to shake it. The key to a great cocktail is keep it simple. Make it fast, delicious, and everybody's going to love it. So shake it down till you see a nice condensation. You know it's getting cold. We're going to drain off the rest. Make sure we don't waste anything. And let's get to straining. That's a beautiful color. This is a great looking cocktail. It's nice and tart, but the simple syrup will bring around a well-rounded, well-balanced flavor that's important for this cocktail. So now we're going to do our garnish, which is going to be a grapefruit string. So I take a whole grapefruit, and I use a special tool that's kind of, it's got a sharp tooth on it that's going to help to dig into my grapefruit and create a string. So I'm just going to start at the top of the grapefruit and start working my way around. Now you might see the grapefruit oil spraying out of the skin. That's very important. Like right now the room just smells like amazing grapefruit, and that's all from the oil that's now being released into the air. So once we have a nice string coming off there, and you could go all the way around. You can make this 3 foot long if you wanted to. But we're going to stop right there. And we're going to take our string. And as you can see, it's nice and curly. We could put it all in a drink, or we could put the majority of it in the drink and hang a little bit off the side, which is a nice touch. I prefer to put it all in a drink. And it's nice as you're drinking it down, it kind of swirls around the cocktail. And there you have a grapefruit cocktail ready to go and delicious.